Start with the name of Allah Almighty. Dear students, I hope all of you people will be fine. Today I am here for the discussion of second year English paper from the Hira Science Academy. The first portion is synonym and the second portion is preposition. The third portion is choose appropriate correction, means right sentence. First question is, it all went to his credit. The right option is D, honor. Okay, second question, he knew he was going to collapse. The right option is A, pass out. Okay, the third question, Abdul Rahman barely escaped assassination. The right option is A, murder. The gardens of Spain were famous for cascade of water. The right option is waterfall. A option is the right option. Death reluctantly departed. The right option is D, departed, separated. Okay, question number 6. Meldrum succeeded whether by. The right option is B option, came after. Question number 7. Everyone was summoned to the big hall. The right option is D, big hall. Summon to the big hall. Summon का आएगा यहाँ पे D option, sent for. Chaps were tattered gown. The right option is torn. A option is the right option. Okay, question number 9. Just as marriage added something, so did bereavement. The right option is D option, bereavement, grief आएगा. Chips had never envisaged such a partnership. The right option is A, image. Second portion, choose appropriate preposition. Hina is sure dash her success. The right option is B, of. Ali is proficient dash English. The right option is B, in. Nadeem is sick dash teaching. The right option is of, B option. Rabia is wanting dash wisdom. The right option is B, of. Her energies were used dash by hard work. The right option is B, up. Choose appropriate correction. Sun rises in the east. The right option is A, the sun rises in the east. Okay, question number 2. I could not find it nowhere. The right option is D, I could not find it anywhere. Question number 3. He always takes pain with my matter. The right option is B, he always takes pains with my matter. Question number 4. He was asked to say little more. The right option is A, he was asked to say a little more. Question number 5. Teacher said the earth is round. The right option is C, teacher said the earth is round.